Greetings, fellow Chelmsford locals. Today, we're going to take a virtual stroll down Bond Street, one of the vibrant and bustling commercial hubs of our beautiful city. Bond Street is a gem of a location, offering a plethora of shopping destinations, from boutiques to high street brands. It's also home to some fantastic eateries and cafes for when you're in need of a quick bite or a leisurely meal. It's no secret that shopping can be thirsty work, but luckily there are plenty of coffee shops and ice cream parlors to quench your thirst or cool you down in the warmer months. And let's not forget about the fantastic events that take place on Bond Street. From street markets to live music performances, there's always something going on that adds to the vibrancy of this bustling area. So if you're ever in Chelmsford and need some retail therapy or simply want to enjoy the buzzing atmosphere, pay a visit to Bond Street. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour. If you enjoyed it and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more local insights. Until next time, stay safe and take care.